Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. So first of all, here is you want to go to Binance because in Binance, we can actually directly use Wise as a payment method. So here you want to go ahead and log into Binance.com, and from here you want to actually go ahead and hover over trade and you want to go to P2P. The reason why we are going to P2P is here in buy crypto. We don't actually have the ability to use Wise here, but if we use the P2P method, we actually are going to use the option to actually buy directly from a vendor of that specific crypto. So here just choose P2P, and from here there is a lot of stuff that's going on here. Let's digest this one by one. So here we have our cryptos. We have USDT, BDC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, DAI and INSHIP. So here it is all crypto. So what crypto you want to buy, you could use it from here and make sure that you are actually on the buy page. And from here you could choose your fiat. So for example, if you want to use a euro and a lot of other stuff, but if you want to use USD, just click on USD, type in USD here, and from here is you want to click on the all payments here and choose Wise, and this page you will see different users actually giving us the option to buy from them. So here as you can see, these are their prices, so you could choose the lowest price that you want to buy from. So here for example, this user one, so here it says that available USDT is 3,500 something, and the limit that you could buy from this person is $1,000 to $3,000. So if you want to buy from this user, just click on buy USDT, just enter the amount of the what you want to pay. So here and here just enter the amount that you will receive here. So here for example, I want to receive at least 100 or 1,000 USD since the minimum payment is here. So around $1,000, you just click on buy USDT and you will be redirected to a chat room with a specific user, and she or he will be giving instructions how you could buy or pay that user via Wise, and that should be it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.